Roll in. Roll in.
Now that we're rolled in,
You gonna show me how to make this roll on?
you betcha. For this roll-on, we're going to use our Happy Joy blend, which helps promote feelings of happiness and joy, and is filled with very uplifting aromas that blend together to make this blend.
All right.
We're also going to be using carrier oil. In this case, we'll be using almond oil, but you can also use fractionated coconut oil, olive oil,
Jojoba.
or grapeseed oil.
There are multiple adventures you could take.
So go ahead and open that up, take the roller ball off, and fill her up. I like to add the oil first because then it swirls up and mixes in really nice.
That's smart.
It's good to give it a little bit of a shake to help the essential oil and carrier oil mix, and you'll want to label it. And the beauty of a roll-on is you can take it wherever you go.
You can put it in your purse and take it on a plane or a train or in a car.
Or your child can take it to school. So many good options.
To find out about recipes just like this and more, go to simplyearth.com and check out our recipe box.
And go and make your home more natural.